Hi, in this video, we will show how to create segments and campaigns with Klaviyo once your integration is active. We'll foresee how to create a segment. You can create segments to group profiles based on properties from the opinion metrics. In this example, we'll learn how to create a segment for customers that leave 5-star reviews. So go to your list and segment section, and then click on Create List Segment. Select Segment, and give it a name. For example, 5-star reviewers. Then click on Definition and select what someone has done or not done. After that, in Metric, select Left a Review and Opinion. At least once for all time, you can add a filter, choose where review star rating contains 5 stars. Then click on Create Segment. That's it. You've created your first segment and opinion. That's it. You've created your first segment for opinion. You can create as many segments as you want based on the properties shown. Now let's create a campaign. Go to your campaign sections and click on Create Campaign. Select Email. In this example, we will send this email for 5-star reviewers. We can give a name for this campaign like 5-star reviewers. Now, then to select Opinion 5-star reviewers segment you just created. Everything looks good. Continue to content. Then in subject line, you can put whatever subject you like. And in the preview text, you can set the preview text. Now, continue to review. If everything looks good, click on Continue to Content. After that, write the subject and preview text that you want, set your sender name and email address. Then, click on the email design that you want. In this example, we will use a basic one-column template. Then, here you can click on the content box and write the content you like. For example, hi, left a 5-star review. Thanks a lot. Now, click on Save Content once you're done. Then, click on Continue to Review. Now, if everything looks good, click on Schedule or Send. You can choose between schedule a time to send your email or send it now. We click on Send Now. And after this, that's it. You've created your first campaign for 5-star reviewers.